died. One of them said, "I will surely return to you about this time next year, and Sarah will then have a son." The word of the Lord.
Thanks be to God.
Now. They used to come, instead of we coming here, the Spaniards would always go to Java, to my community, to swim. And we give them both European, American, and Filipino. As we await the blessed hope and the coming of our Savior, Jesus Christ. Let us offer each other the sign of peace.
Peace be with you. Peace be with you. Peace be with you. Happy Peace Day, everyone! Yes! Oo, dun sa Peña Francia. Fairboat pala yung pagkain. Oh. So dito Nazareno, CFC Peña Francia 11.
Salamat sa nagluto ng fried chicken. Ella, sa Liza, si Agarba.
Yes. Super haba ng pila. So doon ang CFC, doon ang Peña Francia, El Shaddai. Super boot ang pagkain. Anak leg! So dito ako nakapila.
Two days from now,